Consider the stool. Of all the furniture we live with, it is perhaps the most transient by design. It is for perching, for posing, for the temporary engagement at a counter or a bar. It is a seat of transition, yet within that momentary purpose, there exists a profound opportunity to create an object of enduring character, one that invites a lingering touch, a moment of appreciation even in its brief use. This is the charm and the philosophy of the wooden bar stool with a rope seat, a piece that marries the steadfast vertical strength of the turned leg with the humble tactile artistry of the woven coil. The foundation is the wood. This is the spine of the piece, the element that speaks of forests and lots and the patient craft of shaping. Picture the legs, often four, splaying outwards with a confident, subtle curve before tapering downwards. A design born not just out of aesthetics but of ancient engineering, creating a base of unshakable stability. Or perhaps the legs are straighter, more modern in their line, joined by a series of sturdy stretches that form a geometric scaffold just above the floor. The wood here is honest and strong. It might be oak with its bold, declarative grain and honeyed warmth, a wood that seems to have been made for bearing weight and welcoming the occasional scuff as a badge of honor. It could be maple with its finer, quieter pattern and a pale creamy hue, offering a more serene and clean-lined presence, as if bringing a breath of light into this space. In a darker, more contemplative mode, the legs might be of walnut. Their rich, chocolatey browns and swirling grain patterns lending the stool a sense of sophisticated gravity, a perch that feels both modern and timeless. And then, cradled within this wooden framework, sits the seat. But it is not a solid plank or a slab of upholstery. It is a field of texture, a landscape of woven fiber. This is where the rope enters, not as a mere material, but as an element of story. Often it is natural cotton, hemp, or sisal rope, materials that feel of the earth and the sea. The weaving itself is a slow, meditative act. It might be a simple tight coil, spiraling inward from the perimeter of the center, creating a denser, springy surface with a hypnotic, concentric pattern. Or it could be a more complex basket weave, a checkerboard of under and over that speaks of generations of handwork. The color is typically the natural hue of the fiber, the soft ecru of cotton, the beige gray of hemp, the pale gold of sisal. This natural palette creates a beautiful, quiet contrast against the wood, allowing the grain of the legs to sink without competition. This union of wood and rope is a dialogue between two kinds of strength. The wood provides the unwavering structural integrity, the promise that the stool will stand firm. The rope provides the yielding, responsive comfort, the promise that it will give gently to the shape of the body. One is rigid and endearing, the other is flexible and welcoming. Together, they create a seat that is both solid and soft, an embrace that is supportive but never stiff. The tactile experience is everything. Your hand naturally reaches to feel the twist of the rope, to trace the pattern of the weave. To sit is to feel the gentle, forgiving pressure of the fibers, which hold a memory of warmth and give just enough to feel personal. Ultimately, the wooden bar stool with a rope seat is a celebration of honest materials and harmonious contrast. It needs no adornment because its beauty lies in its truth, the truth of the turned wood leg, the truth of the hand-woven cord. It is a humble throne for the everyday, a piece that understands the most transient moments, can be held with the greatest care, and that the bridge between standing and sitting can be a small masterpiece of woven comfort and wooden strength. As always, I'm curious to know which aspect of this simple, soulful design resonates with you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.